Welcome, students. In this video, we will learn about an amazing part of our body called the digestive system. This system helps us break down the food we eat and turn it into energy. Let's see how it works. Digestion begins in your mouth. When you chew your food, your teeth chop it into tiny pieces, and your saliva mixes with the food to start breaking down starches into sugars. Your tongue helps mix everything together to get it ready for the next step. Next, the food travels down a tube called the esophagus, which is like a food pipe that leads to your stomach. The stomach is a strong, muscular bag where the magic really happens. Inside, the food is churned and mixed with digestive juices. These juices break down proteins and turn the food into a mushy substance called chyme. Moving on to the liver, it's a big helper in digestion because it produces bile. Bile is essential for breaking down fats. The liver stores this bile in a small pouch called the gallbladder until it's needed. The pancreas is another important player. It makes special digestive juices that help break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, making sure everything gets processed correctly. Then, the food moves into the small intestine. This coiled tube is where all the final digestion happens and where your body absorbs nutrients through tiny blood vessels. Finally, any leftover waste travels to the large intestine. Here, extra water is absorbed, and what's left turns into waste that gets stored in the rectum until it's time to be eliminated. Isn't it amazing how our bodies work so hard to keep us healthy? Now, here's a fun question for you. What part of the digestive system produces bile to help digest fats? Share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 4 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.